Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group of Market Deal Drop for today. Today's deal drop is a Florida multifamily opportunity, 112 units, 1980s GardenStyle, B and C class, workforce housing, clean operates, professional managed by decades. Predictable takeover, light value add with interiors, amenities, and simple upgrades. Rubbers available, loss to lease, upside already proven. 30 to 45 day closing window, assignment available for qualified end buyers inside our ecosystem. We are opening this day for collaboration. If you want to partner, co-active, or take assignment, this is your moment. This deal unlocks inside the CEO lane only. Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group 22 is coming. It will be held on January 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern online on Zoom. Bring your Coffee Time passport. Sign up our ecosystem. Subscribe our YouTube channel Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications and unlock this deal plus new off-market opportunity every month. Welcome to join a community of excellence, alignment, and the next level momentum. If this resonates, step into the lane and we continue from there. Thank you and welcome.